Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the assets and confirming compatibility. Pick the spatial photo with depth data or a paired depth map, then move it to the device you want to customize. Make sure the Wallpaper app or the OS supports parallax or depth-aware wallpapers, otherwise the effect won't render. Once done, open the gallery or file manager and note file name and location. This short prep saves time because you avoid format conversions mid-process and preserve the original image if you need to retry. You now import and align the photo for the screen. Use the Wallpaper tool's Import or Set Image control, then position the subject inside the safe area. Choose the correct aspect ratio like 16:9 or the device-specific preset. Once positioned, enable depth, parallax, or motion layers. Adjust intensity so foreground separation is visible but not exaggerated. If available, tweak the anchor point to control perceived distance. These adjustments manage how the depth map translates into movement and preserve composition. You finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying the effect. Set it for home, lock, or both, then tilt or rotate your device to confirm parallax and depth behave as expected. If the movement is weak, re-export the spatial file with an emphasized depth map or higher resolution because compression can strip depth cues. If nothing updates, restart the device or the Wallpaper app and clear its cache. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues caused by cached previews or background service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.